Hey guys, it's Liz. Welcome back to another video. So today's one, I was originally just gonna do like a day in the life, but I thought it'd be like the perfect opportunity since I have so much stuff to do today. I want it to be more of like a productive day in life, like show you guys like a bunch of things that I plan to do. So right now it is the morning time. I'm gonna look through all of like the pantry and the fridge to see what we need because we need so much, guys. We ran out of eggs, we ran out of cereal, we need bread. No fruit. There's literally no fruit. All I have in my fruit bowl right now is one zucchini and one sweet potato. And with a baby and kids, like we need like bananas, apples, stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know how you guys like it. Be sure to thumbs it up and comment down below if you guys want me to do videos like these more often. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and start making my grocery list. Here in the pantry. Okay, I wrote down my list. I'm gonna like make it look a little bit cuter, but this is how it looks right now. I like to add emojis so that way it just like pops when I'm in the grocery store and like the kids are yelling and screaming and Ezra's wanting snack and all of that. Yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the store.
It's only water, it's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn.
Right in here. Use that one for me. I'd like to just for you, Nathan. Pink and orange. One for the baby. He's having so much fun with the toothbrushes. Okay, this looks good. I love scrubbing bubbles. We're gonna get that. I want to get some of these too because I'll be stinking it up. Honey Aspel. This is one of my favorites. I want to try some of this too. My favorite degreaser. Okay, these are the baby's favorites. I think you're cute. Mickey? Ethan, you like Mickey?
Yeah, this can I carry it?
Sure.
Sometimes it's gonna hurt, baby. Just let your tears fall down. No need to worry about tomorrow, baby. Cause you got time to figure out it's only water. It's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder. Oh, you've gotta learn.
What? Dude. Hey, come back here with that. Put it back. Good boy. Put one more. Put it away. Put it away. Put it away, Hito. Put it back. Okay. Give me this. Okay, so now we're upstairs. I have a lot to do up here. I actually have laundry to put away, have laundry to do. I have a ton of stuff that I just purchased. Just get everything all organized. I have like a bunch of cleaning products that I want to put away and also use. I'm also going to be cleaning both bathrooms up here and also the down one. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get to it. I have like some stuff like randomly right here. So this is what we're working with right now. I have like all that clutter here, and I have some stuff to unpack and just put away. So we're actually going to be taking pictures today of the kids for the 4th of July. My sister's coming over. She wants Eric to take pictures of her kids. So that is what we're going to do today. I didn't tell the kids. I was like, today. But yeah, I got her these 2 headbands. I don't know which one I want to put on her, but I got her that. And
that's so cool!
Thank you. I'm so excited for you.
Oh
Oh my goodness. This is the baby's outfit and his little shorts. I just
Cause I'm an optimist. It keeps me coming back. When you call me, is it gonna go? I hear it running through my blood. If I feel it, then I don't stand a chance.
Alright, so now we're in the boys' bathroom, and as you guys seen from earlier, I did get a ton of new cleaning products, and that is because I was completely out, so it was definitely time for me to restock. So I'm going to be putting all the new cleaning products away, and of course I'm going to start cleaning the boys' bathroom. And I'm going to go ahead and start using some of this Scrubbing Bubbles cleaner. I love this stuff so much, and I think they came out with this new scent. I don't think they ever had the scent citrus, so I really like that. It works really good. I love this for the bathtub. So I'm just going to go ahead and let that set while I finish up the sink.
When you call me, is it gonna go? I hear it running through my blood. If you feel it, then I don't stand a chance.
So good. This stuff is bomb, you guys. If you're looking for something that's, you know, for deep cleaning, I've always used just like whatever on my countertops, but these are white, and I noticed they just start staining, so I wanted to get something that was more heavy duty. This stuff is really cool. It's the Clean Freak. It's the Clean Freak by Mr. Clean, and it's in the scent Wildflower. Smells so bomb. Yeah, so I decided to go ahead and reorganize my makeup because I did buy this makeup bag, but of course I find a way to like make it messy, and I guess I do have like a good amount of makeup because like this thing is overflowing. So I just switched back to this little makeup caddy that I got from Target a while ago, but I'm pretty sure they still have something like this. But I'm just gonna be putting all of my new brushes in here and kind of just getting rid of some old brushes that I did have and just rearranging my makeup into this new caddy. Okay, so now it is time to start cleaning out this shower, and I did buy us all new loofahs, so you see me throwing those old ones away. And I'm just gonna start by taking everything out, or mostly everything. And I'm also gonna start spraying the shower with some of the scrubbing bubbles. I really like this stuff because it's so cool. Like, you just see it all foamy, and then when it's ready to start scrubbing, the foam just evaporates. Okay, so my sister is actually here, so I just finished the bathroom, perfect timing. And now I'm just gonna get these kids dressed. I don't really know what undershirt I'm gonna put on you, Emma. Who knows? I have this shirt for Ethan. Hi, you ready to get dressed? Hi, can you get in your outfit? Say hi, Chua. I didn't get a chance to wash Ezra's clothes, but you know, oh well. I'm like literally just ripping off the tags on him. But hey, let me put your shirt. Can I play with your cousin? Oh, wait. He wants to play with his cousin. Let me just put your shirt, then you can go play. Gotta be quick. Gotta be quick. Ezzy, let's see your outfit. Ezzy, pose. Like, I wanted something subtle. I didn't want anything too crazy because I always feel guilty when I buy them like actual like holiday shirts, because it's like they literally wear it once or like twice at the most and they're done. But this, like, he could recycle this. He can even wear it to Disney next time you go. Ooh, that was intense. Like, I just finished posing back there. I finished cleaning the bathrooms, which I'm so happy about. But anyways, we are all ready. I have Emma ready. Ethan's in his little shirt. Ezra's back there. I don't know if you can see him, but he has on like a little mitt. He's brushing his teeth. Oh no. Emma's being such a big sister, and she's telling Ezra to don't go in the swamp. She's scared that he's gonna go in the swamp because there's like a lake right here.